Hello, I'm Samantha Bosshart with the Saratoga Springs Preservation Foundation, and I'm thrilled to be here at 10 Stratton Street to honor Hog Cligfield and Pam Abrams with a Porch Restoration Award. We're thrilled that they made this investment to bring this great feature back to their home. It adds a whole new presence to the street, and it's the people like them who really make Saratoga special by investing in their house. This house was built in 1871 by William L. Leggett, who was a teamster with the Geyser Spring Company. Again, congratulations, Paul and Pam.
Well, first we'd like to thank the Preservation Foundation for their appreciation of our porch. And of course, the inspiration and historical planning was done by John Muse, local architect. The construction was done almost single-handedly by Chris Bennett, a master carpenter in town. The beautifully detailed painting was done by Chris Cameron of North Country Colorworks. And as another detail, we had the doors, the original doors, taken down and completely stripped and repaired by Sarah Vadney, who is known as Woman and Her Wood. So altogether, we're very pleased with how this came out, and we find it a wonderful addition to our house.
It was a great team, and we actually enjoyed working with them and following the progress of the porch. And I think for me, when it was finished, it felt like we had built another room onto our house. We sit out here all the time, rainstorms especially fun. And because our house is close to the street and the sidewalk, it's actually provided a great way for us to meet neighbors. People stop and comment on the porch all the time. It's made us definitely closer with our neighbors that we know, but we've also met a lot of people we don't know, and that's actually a great benefit of having a porch. It's like sort of the opposite of a private backyard, and it suits us really well. We're social people. We moved up here from New York City only a couple of years ago, full time. This is our retirement home, and we just feel so happy to have the room. Actually, it was the only feature when we bought our house that we wished we had, and so to have done it right, we feel really good about that.